Good evening, students. Again, I welcome you all in your today's math class. Today, we will learn and understand what is composite number. In the previous classes, we have learned what is prime number. So, let's recall the prime number. What is prime number? A number which have exactly two distinct factors, that is 1 and the number itself. Okay, those number which have exactly two distinct factor, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. That is 3, 2. 2 has only two factor, that is 1 and the number itself, that is 2. 3 has only two factor, that is 1 and the number itself. 5 has only two factor, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. Now today we will understand what is composite number. A number that has more than two factor is called composite number. Just in the prime number there are only two distinct factor, but in the composite number more than two factor. A number that has more than two factor is called composite number. For example, 4. So let's recall the factor of 4. The 1 is the factor of every number. So we will take 1 and the second one is 2. 2 is also the factor of 4 because 4 is also divisible by 2. Then after 4, because every number is the factor itself. So if we check the factor of 4, we get the 3 factor, that is 1, 2 and the 4. So here we can get the 3 factor. So according to our definition, a number that has more than 2 factor is called composite number, and this 4 is fit in definition, that is it has 3 factor, it means more than 2 factor. So 4 is the composite number. Again, if we check the factor of 6, we will find there is more than 2 factor. So 6 is also the composite number. It is also the composite number. In this way, we can check the factor, and if we find that any number which have more than 2 factor, we can say that this number is a composite number. Is it clear to you all? Now, we will move to the next topic, that is prime factorization. For understanding what is prime factorization, you must know what is prime number. So once again I am going to recall what is prime number is that a number that prime number. I am going to define the prime number once again so that you can understand what is prime factorization. Is it clear? So a number that has only two distinct factor, that is 1 and the number itself. A number that has only two distinct factor, that is 1 and the number itself, is called prime number. And let's we understand prime factorization. So factorization in which every number is prime number is called prime factorization. If we do the factorization of every number and if we got that every number is prime number, there is one condition for being a prime factorization: every number must be a prime number. Let's see, I have given some examples so that you can understand. Here the prime factorization 28 is 1 and 28 I have written. Is this can be the prime factorization? No, it can't be, because 28 it has more than 2 factor. Again, if we will check the option 2, that is 4 into 7, again 4 has more than 2 factor, so it will not a prime factorization. Again, if we will check the last one, so here we can say that 2 is a prime number, again this 2 is a prime number, and again this 7 is also a prime number. So we can see that here in the factorization each and every number is a prime number. Is it clear? For being a prime factorization, each and every number must be a prime number. So we can say that the given factorization is a prime factorization. Is it clear? Now we will take more example also. If we write the prime factorization of 42, we can also write this like 21 into 2. It also become 42. 41 into 1. 2 into 3 into 7. It also become 42. And 6 into 7 it become 42. But we have to understand that here 20 is not a prime number. Is it clear? Here again 42 is not a prime number. So one condition is fulfilled in this option only, that is every number. Again here you can say that 6 is, here 7 is prime number but the 6 is not prime number. So our condition is going to fulfill only in this option number 3, that is 2 into 3 into 7, because 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number and 7 is a prime number. So here each and every number is a prime number. So 2 into 3 into 7 is the prime factorization of 42. Is it clear? Now we will take one more example so that you can understand better. Now let's see the prime factorization of 36. I have already written so that time will save. So 4 into 9 it will 36. 2 into 2 into 9 it will also 36, and 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 it will also 36. But main question is that whether which option is satisfied our definition, that each and every number must be a prime number. So here 4 is not a prime number, again 9 is not prime number, so this will not be the answer. Again here 2 is the prime number, this 2 is also prime number, but again here 9 is there, so we can't say that this one is the prime factorization. In the last we can see that here 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 is there, and here each and every number is prime number, and it satisfied the fulfill our definition that every number must be a prime number. So this one is the prime factorization of 36, that is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Is it clear? So in this way we can check and we can find what is prime factorization. Okay, and today I have also given the assignment related to this prime factorization in your home assignment. You have to complete this one, and as usual you will also get your answer key. Okay, so that's all for today's. Thank you. Have a nice day.